Today we're making a drink so nice we made it twice.
God, you took the words out of my brain.
Oh my goodness. We're gonna have a little allspice in that.
I don't even know where to go from here.
You're leaning heavy. It's getting late.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails, Dan, Derek, Ian.
Now you're just making things up.
We are going to make for you a drink. It's called, fuck, I don't even know.
We need to start over.
Oh, it's all, no, this is perfect. It's called
It's the lion's tail.
Lion's tail.
We talked about it like...
You need to give my bar COVID.
Yeah, I did.
We're going to make a lion's tail. This is the drink. 2 ounces of bourbon, a half ounce of allspice dram, a half ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed, 1 bar spoon, simple syrup, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters, sanded orange twist that I think we're going to, oh, we have oranges, but whatever. The instructions. You're going to add them all together. You're going to shake it.
You're gonna shake. You know what?
Well,
the
chilled cocktail glass.
is always the allspice dram.
Yes. So we made a drink last month called the Golden Tail, and I said it was a lion's tail mixed with a golden Cadillac or something. There's some another drink. So I'm like, oh, we haven't made a lion's tail. You guys had. And a lion's tail
I swear we've had this drink
and a golden
before.
tail both
No,
have
I don't
allspice
know.
drink.
I don't think we've made the lion's tail.
No?
She's not convinced.
Wife number 2. Is that
Wife number 2 says no.
No.
So maybe I'm wrong.
We've
I don't
talked
know.
about it, and it's one of my friends' favorite drinks, and I
See?
think I've asked.
Because
I've asked Derek about
you
it.
can make your own allspice dram, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, take those allspices that I have.
Yep.
There's a couple ways of doing it. So that one way to do it is you get an easy whipper, like if you make your own fresh whipped cream. That's what I use, CO2 injection. You just don't use CO2. You use NO2. You add rum, demerara sugar, those little allspices,
Yep.
and like 1 or 2 other things. I don't remember what the DIY says. You put them in the thing, you infuse it, shake it up a little bit, and you go. It takes like 3 minutes.
That's awesome.
You could probably do it a million different ways, but that way is the way you can have it done in a couple minutes. Cloves, usually add a little clove to it. You just got to make sure to balance the clove against the allspice, which is what I spent the most time doing, because otherwise it gets really clove heavy. And then you're just drinking bitters.
Yeah, it's good. It's like a good.
Yeah, that's always good.
Wintry, like.
Yeah.
It's like so I found this on Difference Guide.
There's this.
A happy Tolkien reading day.
It just sounds really familiar, right?
does.
No orange twist? Usually you put an orange twist on
Yeah,
it.
you put an orange twist.
But that's okay. We don't need to put one right now.
Happy National Orange.
There's Stephen
Make up your
Foster.
mind.
Now Stephen's back.
Hold on. Happy National Tolkien Reading Day.
Oh, there you go.
Tolkien?
More monies from ACC 71201.
Nice.
NCC, is that a Star Trek reference, or is that like a username from ICQ or some shit?
You're just asking where he was.
What?
I thought it said NC-17 at first.
What did
I was like, oh, so he's rating himself?
Money donation.
oh yeah, with all of his emojis.
Alright,
Emojis.
I'm gonna try it.
Someone should.
Dan's impatient. Lion's Tail first appears in the Cafe Royale cocktail book in 1937. Probably invented in Prohibition, but it didn't really get documented until later. I think it was documented in London for the first time.
Wait, I gotta take a picture of it for Lori.
Oh, we were gonna make 2. I was gonna have you make another one. We'll make another one.
It's always good to tell me after I make the drink.
I know.
He did tell you before.
Tell you ahead of time, yeah.
No, he
He
did?
told
I'm
the
sorry.
Eric.
Oh, I didn't
I
hear
told
it.
Derek.
Yeah, and I wasn't
No,
making
But I did not relay it to you.
I didn't relay it to you either.
Ian.
Ian,
I
you
did?
dropped the ball.
Oh, see
She's
that?
just looking for a way to blame it on you.
That's
Take a
because-
picture of him looking
I'll
at
dump
you.
this one.
Those are fighting words. Ian.
That's good.
They say that
Easy wife number 2.
this comes
Don't come
from
over here.
Wait,
Yeah, it's not time yet. It's not time yet.
wait,
You can take a photo.
You know you're on camera, right?
Pictures.
You-
Shut up. I'm not on camera.
You can be on any of those things. It's all you. This is the you show right now. What I was gonna say is that they say the reference comes from twisting the lion's tail, which is a way of saying getting on like a Brit's bad side, I guess. Because
Oh, is that what it is?
The coat of arms has a lion on it or whatever.
Sure. That was good.
Because of that, they're saying the lion's tail was actually invented in America, even though that was documented and I think first published in London. Could also just be a Game of Thrones reference. I don't know.
I'm joking in the chat.
Never regret showing up.
Never.
I don't know what's happening
Never
right now.
regret-
The drink is good.
Showing up.
It's got tiki notes to
He
it.
said
It
you
does.
regret showing up this
It's not like overly sweet from the allspice and the simple syrup.
It's dry.
It is.
Oh no! I was looking at the other joke.
Why?
No.
Why couldn't Barbie get pregnant? Why couldn't Barbie get pregnant?
Because Ken came in another box.
Yeah.
Because
That's good.
Ken can in another box.
But we're both like, and the guys are like, ha, that's awesome!
I'm not poor. It's okay.
I just didn't know.
Ruby
where
had
it
a good
was
one.
going.
What's
But
that?
now it's fun.
Ruby had a good one.
Yeah.
What was it?
That's my daughter. She said, "Why did Sarah fall off the swing?
Why?
Because she had no arms." Knock knock.
It's not Sarah.
Where have I seen that?
You know,
Oh no. Okay.
this is from like a 10-year-old. You're supposed to play along.
Okay. Who's there? Sorry.
It's not Sarah.
Fuck you.
Take a drink.
Would you say not Sarah?
Huh?
Would you say not Sarah? Is that the?
Yeah, that's what I'm
Okay.
saying. Not Sarah.
All right.
Well, I heard that like last week.
Sorry,
though.
I didn't
don't
put
know
the two
why
and
I
two
heard that.
together.
I don't know.
That's
Um,
good.
This drink is dry and allspicy.
I could see you saying that. That'd be cute.
Yeah. It's not too dry though,
It's drier than I don't know. Why.
because it has some bitter from the Angostura.
Oh, yeah. Maybe that's why.
Trying to make a double?
He's going for it.
Yeah.
You commanded and Ian's doing it, Jaleesa.
Yeah.
No, she requested it. I
He just knows I'm in charge of his reviews.
Trinidad Sour is really good.
Trinidad Sour. Yeah, that's got a lot.
Trinidad Sour
Right.
is really good.
That's bitter, right?
Trinidad.
Yeah.
Sour.
That has like an ounce of bitters in it.
Yes, it's so
This is good. The Angostura kind of like settles it down and
The thing is, Angostura
doesn't make it like a sweet cocktail.
No, but like Angostura has a lot of
Can I see the recipe again?
allspice in it.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So like,
You want a double
uh,
of this, Jaleesa? Is that what you said?
No, I just want one.
so like because they both have
Sure.
it, like I can
Yeah.
get that like it kind of all kind of blends into me. It just
Yeah.
tastes like that.
So you're saying I do more than bring
spicy.
onion dip for a good review? Damn it.
No, onion dip
not
is
too
the way
sour.
my heart for
Okay,
sure.
cool.
Onion dip and chips. Good salty ruffly chips.
Salty.
I don't
So
get
it's a
lot
good
of
drink.
bourbon.
It's pretty normal. Maybe because you're using makers. I don't know.
Oh,
You just
are
said it
you
was
shitting
good.
on makers again?
It's all right.
This is a Makers 46.
Intentionally went high.
Oh,
was
this is
calculating.
dry. This is what it is.
Yeah.
Okay. That's just what it is. I don't remember drinking Makers. It's not as sweet as Makers of mine.
I don't know. I don't drink a lot of makers.
Lion's tail.
I can see that. It doesn't stand out. It's not as oak forward as I would expect. It's allspice. It's like tiki meets bourbon whiskey sour type thing.
Yeah.
It's like a whiskey daiquiri because it's got lime, a little bit of sugar, tiki-ified.
Yeah.
Make it your
I
best
get
one,
that.
Ian. Make it your best one.
Of course.
Last one, best one. Woo!
First one was practice. All right. Second one's
All right.
So you got your history, you got all your shit. Sidebar, there's more videos
Make it.
over there. I would definitely check that out if you're into bourbon. Even if you're not. That's a Boston Shaker kit.
No one saw that, Ian. No one saw that.
Drink 15.
Drink 15, save 15%
Coupon code.
off. AwesomeDrinks.com. Do it now while he makes the drink using our professional Boston Shaker kit. We'll teach you how to drink.